Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best budget compasses in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Southeast Military Sighting CC4580 Compass. Sie können lernen, einen, einen, Kompass im Laufe eines einzigen Nachmittags nutzen und Sobald Sie Wissen haben, werden Sie die Sichtung SE Military finden Kompass von unschätzbarem Wert, wenn Sie wandern, Jagen oder camping in der Wild. Dieser Kompass hat ein gute Qualität einstellbar Dioptrien links das Wert den Weg nach vorn sehen. Sobald es sein Flugbahn bestimmt hat, drehbar Lunetring, die es einfach auf Kurs zu bleiben und einen einsparen Level. The Nacht Military Lensatic Kompass ist seit Jahrzehnten als eine Möglichkeit, sicherzustellen, Soldaten sind in der Lage die Genossen Messungen möglich zu erhalten. Lensatic es Seiten, dass der Anstieg der Kompass ein Lens hat, mit dem Sie lesen das Zifferblatt, waren sein Auge nahe in Kim platziert ist. These configurations were damit genauen Blick in Konzert mit dem Scheinwerfer auf dem vorderen Sicht. Der Lensatic Kompass kann ein wenig länger dauern, zu erhalten vertraut mit, aber am Ende werden Sie froh, dass Sie getan haben. Number 2. Our second best pick is SUUNTO MC-2 in Global Compass. It may seem old school, but compasses have lost their usefulness and functionality in today's world. Many things such as work, hobbies, adventure to name a few, we can get out of our comfort zones. If that happens, the Global Compass SUUNTO MC-2 will be there to bear and offers a way out of any difficult situation. Nothing and no one is ever lost, the tracking device and tools are simply necessary to find it. This worldwide reliable compass is designed to easily accept the challenge and provide accurate measurements of direction. It is not common compass made with high quality and durable materials, improving durability and innate ability, extreme temperatures, time to resist and conditions. It comes with a base plate and magnifying lenses for detailed map reading and plotting. The lens hood also ensures that the compass remains visible, even at night, with additional brands of comfortable viewing. To make matters worse, there is a reliable fixed declination confusion adjustment of the position of their journey is by a system that in most places good conduct itself. Number 3. Our third best pick is SUUNTO Clipper Watch Band. SUUNTO Clipper aggregated your watch band, so that more and ready when the circumstances require. It is lightweight, durable and offers basic navigation information quickly, so you stay on track and meet your friends or rescue teams. Received the compass some negative press because it was made in China, but we found it to work well, suitable with the most bracelet size, and it's right in general compass. Similarly, you want your navigation simple and be straightforward, you cannot lose with SUUNTO Clipper Compass. No landmarks or lenses to confuse a few important information that should be enough to keep moving in the right direction. The operating characteristics such as clip mechanism, the rotating bezel and luminous direction indicator, they are useful and reliable, and the unit is at a very reasonable price. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Eyeskey Multifunction Military Sighting Compass. The multifunctional tactical military Eyeskey Lensatic Compass has light capacity allowing glow in the dark, so that never in the dark when it comes to navigate to. On a tripod bi-screw hole gets in the base and reads as points each time. A metal body that is rugged and waterproof and is light, compact impact hiking compass multifunction Eyeskey design does not get in the way or quit when things are tough. If the search for a lasting solution, waterproof navigation compass cannot go wrong with Eyeskey multifunction military compass watches. Everything from the bubble for the brightness in the dark features for rotating bezel and conversion graphics are designed to allow information quickly and exactly. Its lighter weight allows carry in a shirt pocket or the pocket of his pants moves, so it's always ready. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is reliable outdoor gear Professional Boy Scout Compass. Heavy driving can be overstated, especially when it is all operations, outdoor pursuits, hunting and other exciting adventures. The reliable outdoor equipment for professional Boy Scout compass comes in a lightweight and portable way that guarantees that fits in the hands of a growing child. Larger hand sizes is a great tool for novice beginners to master simple and clean navigation geography skills. The compass is accompanied by a green base plate, a magnifying glass, generally, and topographic maps scale precision compass reading. This certainly, and for a wide range of operations that can be useful outside urgent need to carry out without power while traveling to places cover. Always finds a way to compact with this superior quality navigation from device having a fluid housing that provides accurate reading. Liquid. The housing is free of bubbles provided sufficiently for the needle drain swings efficiently and a clear liquid form. The precise inclinometer, the true north, stands out among the units of the regular compass. Out shows that in your readings, bezel settings are also measured in precision bearings. Enjoy the benefits of a reliable, compact compass for beginners and professionals. It is definitely recommended for this navigational tool. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.